Hi everybody, this is Snook, and today we get to see what is in my first IPSY Plus bag. I ordered it this month because the Bailey Serum palette is in here, and I really love her and wanted to support her. I have to be careful I don't watch her murder mysteries right before I go to bed, because then I have nightmares, but that is why I ordered this bigger bag. It did not come in a box. And I pulled this out, and this is what this IPSY bag looks like, which it's slippery on the inside and a little fuzzy on the outside. I mean, it's a nice bag. It would be if you're a big purse person, then you could put like your makeup in here and use it that way. But let's open what we came here for. I'm too excited. This was one of the choices that you had for the IPSY Plus for August. I wanted the Bailey Serum palette. Comes with a mirror. I really like the colors in this palette. I think you can kind of do a lot with it, with pops of different colors, but in reality it's more of just an everyday palette. Really, the pan size in here is huge. I'm really excited about that. The next thing I got, was these are shadow sticks. 24/7 eyeshadow. See if you can, they're brown coppery. So let's see what they actually look like. There you can kind of see it. In person it has, there you go. So that would be really good for under your eyebrow bone or in the inner corner. And then you could just put this one all over your lid. Okay, I'm excited about that. I'm very excited. What's this? Okay, oh, good Lord. Life's complicated, your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier one eco-friendly product at a time. So this would be a real nice powder brush. Does it say? Yeah, plush powder. This is a powder brush. And then it comes with this little sleeve that you can, so if you're traveling, it won't get all dented up. Oh, this is so let's see what else is in here. Oh, so this is the Wonder Beauty clear brow gel. So let's, I don't have any. Said I wanted it, and I didn't have one, so I'm really happy about that too. Then last is, what is this? 111 Scare Cryo ATP Sports Booster. So that's candle glass. Oh, it's very watery. Alright, so this says, the ultimate secret weapon for days when your skin is looking tired and meh. This energizing serum booster. Forget coffee. This highly concentrated formula revs up your skin cells and encourages the flow of oxygen to make your complexion look instantly more wide awake and glowy. Rough texture, dullness, and large pores, yarrow extract helps fix them all. It's the perfect skin treatment for after a sweat sesh. A few drops will prolong that fresh and flushed post-workout glow. This is full size, and the retail value is $135. It's something you would put on your bare skin and then maybe put powder over it to get rid of the tackiness, is what I'm thinking you'd have to do. So we have something that'll make you glowy and dewy and fresh as a daisy after a spring rain. while you're walking down the path to Never Never Land, arm in arm with your bestie, which is $135. We have this really cool brush. I like the brush. And this is a perfect all-over face powder brush. I mean, if you can't get your face with a brush this big, you got problems. We got the Wonder Beauty clear brow gel, and I've been wanting some clear brow gel because with having white hair, I don't want my eyebrows to be really dark. I like the look of white hair and black eyebrows, but on me with my coloring, I don't think would look very good. So I was really happy that they had clear. Really happy about these because really with these two you could come up with a really nice eye look, and it took quite a bit to get it off my hand, so they definitely have staying power. The Venice Fling with Bailey Sarian and Estate. To me, this palette is more of an everyday neutral palette, but I think it's cohesive enough that you can make, you know, a couple looks out of it, and or more. And it is definitely more on the neutral side. I'm not sure how. I mean, the shadows feel really good, and they seem like they're pigmented. I'm excited to play with that and the other stuff that I had. Oh, I really cannot complain about anything that is in this box. I like the new system that they have. I think it gives you more control, and for $25 a month, I think, well, one item was $135, so you way more than paid for the $25. Thank you so much for stopping, and I hope you have a really wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.